5 feet away. Dude, you're not a fucking phone.
Hold on. You didn't hit a single one ever slide ball.
Shoot him through that hole right there.
You're out, bro.
Dude, I'm hitting you.
You're out, bro. That's fly too.
Hey, bro.
Hey, don't go out right here. Don't go out right here.
Where's the ref? Hey, bro, you're out. Dude. Hey, hold up.
Get the ref. That guy's blind right here.
On the rebel.
Bro, you're out. That's blind fire too. That's blind fire. You can't say bang bang from that.
Hey, I'm hitting you through the rock. You're out. I'm hitting you.
Everyone just pull
Right there. Shoot through the little hole in the rock. See the little hole right there? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there. You're out. You're getting away with it. Oh, that was an idiot. I'm getting this on camera.